Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to fix lag in Jujutsu Shenanigans. Fixing lag in Jujutsu Shenanigans can significantly improve your gameplay experience. Here's what you're going to do. Shut down unnecessary apps running into the background to free up device resources. Regularly clear cache files to prevent them from slowing down the game. Ensure your device's operating system is up to date to optimize performance. Restart your device periodically to refresh its system processes. Active performance mode or game mode on your device for smoother gameplay. When it comes to network optimization, connect to a stable Wi-Fi networks with a strong signal strength for consistent gameplay. Use Ethernet cable for a wired internet connection to reduce latency. Pause or cancel any ongoing downloads or updates that may be using bandwidth. Position your router centrally and away from obstruction for better signal distribution. Upgrade to a higher speed internet plan if your current plan does not meet game requirements. When it comes to game settings and optimizations, adjust your in-game graphics settings to lower level for smoother performance. Turn off special effects or animation that may strain your device's performance. Decrease the render distance in settings to reduce strain on your device. Set the game resolution to a level that balances visual quality with performance. Ensure the game is updated to the latest version to access performance improvements. And verify if there are any server-side issues affecting gameplay performances. Maintain sufficient storage space on your device for smoother operation. Install and utilize game booster apps that optimize device performance for specific games. Update device drivers, especially graphic drivers, to ensure compatibility and performance. Turn off battery saver mode as it can limit device performance during gameplay. Keep an eye on device temperature and avoid overheating, which can cause lag. And ensure no unnecessary processes are running that could impact game performance. And that's how to fix lag in Jujutsu Shenanigans. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching!